Hello buddies, in today's video I want to share with you all the easiest way to make soft, chewy, savory Nigerian finkaso or Ghana pinkaso, also known as pankaso or batter donuts, known in some places as picarones. So I would like you to relax and enjoy this video as I just take you step by step how to make this. It's very easy with this particular recipe. With this particular recipe, you can make your pinkaso so easy and without any hassles. So let's dive in. So for this recipe, you start by measuring out just 1 cup or 125 grams of all-purpose flour. Now to that you add half teaspoon of salt. Next you add half teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Next you add half teaspoon of sugar. The sugar is optional if you don't want to use it. Add 1/8 teaspoon of mixed spice. Also it is optional. So here I have half of a medium-sized onions and some scotch bonnet pepper, ripe scotch bonnet peppers. You can also use the green scotch bonnet peppers, fine. So here I decided to use my hand grater to grate or to mince my onions. You can also use your blender to blend the onion and the pepper together with a little bit of water and then add it, but I decided to use my hand grater to do it. So for those that don't have blender, you can also, I also use my hand grater to grate the pepper. Next I added half cup of room temperature water or 95 grams of water and mixed everything together. Okay, now after mixing everything with a half cup of water, I added extra 2 tablespoons of water. But if you like, you can just at this point cover it and let it brew for 1 hour. But for this particular recipe, I added extra 2 tablespoons of water or about 30 grams of water. Okay, then mix everything thoroughly just as you see in the video. After mixing this, there is need for you to incorporate air into the batter to help it to proof very well and also to help it to develop gluten. So that was why I had to wash my hands and then use my hands to beat the batter to incorporate air into the batter before covering it. So after incorporating the air into the batter, I covered it to proof or to rest for 1 hour. Giving my shout out to my wonderful followers. My shout out today goes to Chioma Rejoice from Nigeria. Thank you for always engaging my videos. I am super grateful. So after 1 hour, your batter must have proven just as you see in the video. Now before you fry this batter, you're going to add extra 30 grams or 1/4 cup of flour into it and combine it. Mix it very well again. Okay, make sure you mix it very well before frying this. This is one secret I'm sharing with you all. Now put your oil on heat. Make sure that your oil has heated very well. You need your oil to heat up very well before you drop in the pinkaso into it. Okay, now look at the way to drop in your pinkaso. When you take your batter, make sure you wet your hands with water or with oil. So when you pick your batter, you're going to make a hole at the center with your thumb. Then once you make the hole, you then drop it gradually back forth till it leaves your hands. The secret here is to make sure you have a hole at the center or an opening at the center of your batter. That's the secret. That is what you are looking for. Okay, just watch the way I do it in the video. That is the way you will do it and you will get it perfectly. Like I said, before taking your batter, you have to either wet your hands with water or you wet your hands with some vegetable oil. Okay, that will help the batter to easily leave your hands or your fingers while you drop it in the oil. And again, like this particular one, I used vegetable oil on my hands. Now picked or take a little batch of my batter, make a hole at the center, then drop it forth back. Then as it's leaving my hands, I will then leave it open. so that it will have that opening at the center. That is just what you want. And make sure, like I said, your oil is heated up. When you see that your oil is overheating, you can reduce the heat a little to medium heat. So you need to fry these till they are light golden brown, and when they are light golden brown, you will take them out from the oil. That is just how to make your pinkaso. So let me repeat the molding process again for those that do not understand or didn't understand the first time. You have to make a hole at the center of your batter and just gradually drop it until it leaves your hand into the oil. The idea here is to have an opening at the center while you are dropping the batter into the oil. Okay, that's just the idea. Once you have that opening, perfect, you are good to go. So you allow them to fry till they are light golden brown, and you take them out from the oil. You are ready to enjoy your pinka. So I hope you love this recipe and you're going to give it a try. I want to use this opportunity to say happy sallah to all my Muslim followers and subscribers. Thank you for always watching and engaging my videos. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to follow me, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video so that others will also gain this knowledge. Now, once your pinkaso are out of the oil, you can sprinkle them with sugar or you can dip them in sugar if you want. But if you don't want, you can use this to enjoy your Hausa cocoa, or you can use it to enjoy your pap, or you can eat it just this way. Thanks for watching.